In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your TikTok account with Whop, whether for personal use, business management, or just for fun. Connecting your accounts opens up a world of possibilities by streamlining your social media experiences across platforms. So let's dive right in and make this process both seamless and easy to follow. First, you're going to need to access Whop. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the web address to reach Whop's main site. Once there, be sure to log in with your credentials so you can access your settings. If you're not sure where to look, you can typically find the login button at the top right corner of the home page. After logging in, locate the settings menu. This is the hub for all your account customizations, including connecting different social media accounts like TikTok. Once you've accessed your settings, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Connected Accounts. This is where you'll manage the linkage between Whop and other platforms. Look through the list of available services and locate TikTok. Click on the TikTok option to begin the process of linking your account. Next, you'll need to input your TikTok URL. Not sure where to find your TikTok URL? It's simple. Open your TikTok app. Go to your profile and tap on the three dots in the upper right to get your profile's shareable link. Copy that link and paste it into the designated field on the Whop page. It's crucial to ensure that you've copied the URL correctly, so double check to prevent any unnecessary errors. This step is key because it allows the platforms to recognize and connect your specific accounts. Once you've entered your TikTok URL, the next step is to click the Add button. This action confirms that you want to connect TikTok with Whop. Be patient as the systems communicate and verify the link. Sometimes there might be a quick prompt confirming your decision to connect the accounts. Be sure to follow any additional on-screen instructions, if any, to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your TikTok account with Whop, making it much easier to manage posts, insights, or whatever your specific needs are across these platforms. And remember, if you ever wish to disconnect the accounts, you can always return to the connected accounts section and just as easily remove the connection. Hopefully, this guide has been both clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to check out additional tutorials or reach out to Whop support for more detailed guidance. Have fun exploring the new possibilities now open to you with Whop and